There's this new technology which essentially raises the bar on safety in selecting patients for LASIK. He is no stranger to the morning show. Dr. Arun Gulani from Gulani Vision Institute, just back from Spain. He was the only U.S. surgeon invited there to teach this new technology. Good to have you here on the morning show. What's the technology called? And I know it's kind of like a CAT scan for the eye.
Yes, it's called the pentacam tomography, and the concept here is it actually does literally like CAT scans of the layers of your cornea, which is the organ on which LASIK is performed. So as we understand, obviously, this corneal topography and tomography very much gives us the entire anatomy, shape, thickness, health of that cornea, along with its relation with the other structures in the eye.
And this technology actually offers you a couple of advantages. Number one, you can detect problems in the eye a lot sooner than you would otherwise.
Absolutely. Before they even become clinically relevant, or before a doctor even looking through a microscope can pick these problems up, this machine can actually pick these problems years ahead. And then it can literally give us a red flag as to not to proceed with ordinary LASIK surgery, modify a technique, do a technique without cutting the cornea.
And also, the selection of LASIK patients has always been an issue. And, you know, I don't want to say it's somewhat random in deciding who, but this technology will help better decide who is and who is not a candidate. In fact, you have a little model here, and you can show some of the topography, as you call it, that would cue a LASIK eye surgeon into the potential for somebody to have the procedure.
This is actually literally a model of your eye.
Yeah, if you just hold it over here to camera 5.
Right over here. And as you can see, this is your eye, very much like a camera. This is the lens of your camera. This is the front cornea. Now, this organ, the cornea, is what I'm going to take in my hand, because this is what's the most important for laser vision surgery. And the shape of the cornea is what we are reshaping. That's LASIK, put in the most simple definition, is reshaping the shape of this cornea. Obviously, we need to know the shape, the thickness. Are we leaving enough for the eye to hold? Is it abnormal at the back, the front? And what are its relations to the rest of the eyes? What you want to prevent is if you have a routine LASIK and your cornea wasn't strong enough, you end up with a cornea that looks like this.
More cone-shaped.
More like a cone, which absolutely distorts your vision, and then your only hope is a transplant.
And for those who, you know, don't understand, it's kind of like the lens on a camera. And if the lens isn't perfect, then it distorts the light view, and the image that you get is less than perfect.
Yes, and that's because by optical principles, over 80% of your vision depends on the shape of the cornea, and that decides your glasses and contacts. So obviously reshaping that is the primary goal of any laser vision surgery.
Dr. Gulani, thanks for sharing that with us. Hey, if you have some questions for Dr. Gulani about this new technology, how it might impact you, whether or not you could find out if you're a candidate for LASIK, you can give him a call at the Gulani Vision Institute. The number is 296-7393, or you can go on the World Wide Web at that address right there, GulaniVision.com. Thanks for being here. Appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
One viewer says it is the greatest act of patriotism she has ever seen.